So hello guys, Google just released one of the most wicked and most awful update ever that I've ever seen since I started blogging. Trust me, this update is capable of destroying your full website if you find yourself in a niche whereby you do DIY things, how to guide, tech niche. If you are in any of this niche except entertainment, trust me, this update is really going to hit you very hard. And this is why you need to watch this video, because in this video I'm going to break down everything that Google said about this update, the kind of update it is, and when it's actually going to completely roll out, and also how you can actually bypass this update successfully if you find yourself in any of these niches. Trust me, this update, even when if you haven't heard of this update, when I'll finally tell you what this update is, you yourself will be surprised. You'll be like, why would Google do such a thing? But trust me, Google has already done it, and the update is in the system already. And I'm going to break down everything to you and how this update can impact your website, plus how you should do and what you should do to actually get yourself out of the negative side of this update. So hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Perez Tech. On this channel, things I focus on is how you and I can make money online through blogging and any other thing. And in this video, I'm going to break down Google latest update to you so that you see how you can find your way out of this. So if this sounds like you and you need more blogging tips or more ways on how you can make money on the internet through affiliate marketing or being a freelancer, then don't forget to smash on that subscribe button, like this video, and also share it, as well as I take you straight into today's video and break down to you what this new Google update is and how it's going to affect your site, plus what you can do to get yourself out of it. So let's get started with the video. So the latest Google update is known as a reduction of search visibilities to how-to guides and the frequently asked question content from blogs, and then used to favor the bigger website and organizational website. So let me break it down. So what Google mean by this update is that they are going to reduce the visibility of the how-to guide content and the frequency asked questions content and schema that you use on your website and my miniature website, so that they can show more of content of such coming from organizational website. That's what they simply mean here. So meaning, if you write about how to guide, how to do this, how to do that, and then a government website or a big health organization also write about that same topic, Google is clearly telling you that no matter how well your schema is well optimized, your content is well optimized to rank, he's going to push your own content down and then put that of the big organization or the government organization at the very top. So that's what Google really means by this update. And by this simply means that no matter how you optimize your content, you are going to see drop in your website traffic, because assuming you have more of how to guide content and the frequently asked question content, that means that all of those content are going to be pushed down in search results, meaning one, you are already running out of traffic. So even if you don't write about, even if no organization is talking about that website, Google is going to suggest YouTube videos over the content you've written on it. Meaning one, you reduce drop in your click-through rate, meaning your traffic is decreasing, and then your revenue also will decrease if you focus more on ad revenue. Even if you focus on affiliate revenue, meaning that article has less than 20% chance of actually generating you affiliate revenue right now, because once Google push it down, it's literally telling you that that article is likely not to be on the first to second page either, as long as there are YouTube videos or any video on any other social media platform talking about this topic. So earlier this year, Google first of all made it clear that a lot of content out there will now be suggested as videos instead of content. So assuming you have a blog post on how to start affiliate marketing, Google is telling you that it's going to push that article down right now and suggest a video either from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, any social media platform where they can access a video in that same topic. That's what they are going to show. Or if there's any big organization or government-owned website talking about that same topic, they are going to bring that organizational content in. So if that organizational content is not available, then they are going to use videos instead of the how-to blog post that you've written. And you see how dangerous this is. Assuming a blog like mine, we focus more on creating how-to guides and the frequently asked questions on some important topics. Now Google is clearly telling me that it's going to push all my content aside and they show organizational websites. But then me, I'm not afraid. Do you know why? Because every single content I create, I convert it to video and share it here on YouTube or share it on other social media platforms, and that one will give me a hedge over. Meaning, if my videos are well optimized, I still have a higher chance of actually getting traffic to that particular article, because at the end of all my videos, I do recommend the articles for more information. So now that I've told you the problem, how it's going to affect your website. Now let's see how we can actually solve this problem so that it don't get to affect us that much. So now let's jump into the main part of this video, which is how we can go around this update and still get our traffic as we do get on usual basics. The first thing you can do to get out of this update and still get traffic to those your how-to guide is simply creating resource content. So what do I mean by resource content? So resource content are simply sort of content that you create around the most used and most needed tools in your industry, or the fast emerging tools in your industry. So for example, for my industry, where I talk about affiliate marketing, SEO, blogging tips, and then social media marketing, I can create content, the sort of resource content I can create let me say top 20 best tools for social media marketing, top 20 best keyword research tools, top 20 best SEO tools. So once I create this sort of content, then I can look for how-to guide content on my website that are related to these topics and then link them to it. And most of the times, before I even go on creating my content on how-to guide, I do look for resource topics to actually create this content around, and I use the help of keyword visualization, which is what I call my keyword mastering system, to actually find out this topic. So in case you don't understand keyword visualization, I'm going to talk about it in my next coming video. So if you don't want to miss it, do it to smash that subscribe button, because in this way, all you need is a single seed keyword. So for example, you want to create an article on top 5, you want to create an article on how to create sales funnels for affiliate marketing. Now your keyword here is sales funnels for affiliate marketing. So now Google is telling you that it's not going to give life to that article again, because based on its new update, it's going to push it down and either suggest from organizational website or simply suggest from YouTube videos or any social media video, meaning that your article you are creating will not work. But then you have an important affiliate offers you want to promote through that particular article, or there's a value you want to share with your audience through that article. So now what you can simply do in this case is that now your main keyword here is simply sales funnels for affiliate marketing. Now you can put that keyword into a visualization tool that I'm going to review in my forthcoming video. So in that particular tool now, in that particular article now, you put in this visualization to then pick out some of the keywords that are related to that topic you are talking about already. So for example, some of the keywords you can write about is top 20 best sales funnels, affiliate sales funnels tools, top 20 best tools to create sales funnels for affiliate marketing. And now you see that you are getting resource content idea. So now in those ones, now you list all of these articles, all these tools inside that one. Then once you publish that article, since Google is telling you that it's going to favor such article over the how-to guide, but then you need to pass through a message through the how-to guide, what you can simply do now is that you, inside that resource content, you put a link in it telling people that, okay, now I've listed some of the best tools on how you can create affiliate sales funnels. So here is some of the best tools you can use to create your sales funnels for affiliate marketing. So in this blog post now, here is a new blog post that I created some time ago. Google has already told me that it's not going to rank it, but then I needed to share this value. So you don't have to add all of this into it. I'm just giving you a scenario here. So now I wanted to share a value in this particular article on how you can set up your sales funnel. So here's a link to this article. You can pass it and go and check it out. So now you are giving life to that old article that Google is telling you that it's no longer going to rank again. So once you create those resource content, you cannot link your how-to guides into it. Like I'm currently working on a very lengthy article of almost 4,000 words, and I'm still working on it. So that article is a batch full of resource content, up to 15, maybe 20 resource content, that 20 resources that is needed in my industry that I'm actually compiling into a single article. But then before I compile this, I already have how-to guide talking about every single tool in that particular article that I'm talking of. So now the way I can give life to those ones is to, under every tool that I mentioned, I will link the how-to guide, the respective how-to guide in it. So when readers read to that particular point, they are going to jump on it. And in this way, even Google will notice that, okay, once people search for keyword related to that resource content, the third thing you can actually do to still drive traffic to those sort of content you create on our website, Google is no longer willing to show, is simply promoting them on social media. So this one thing, whenever I tell people on the importance of social traffic, the importance of building social audience, they keep giving me this single reply that AdSense doesn't like social traffic, AdSense is going to ban their website for social traffic. As much as that is a big fat lie that AdSense will not block your AdSense account due to social traffic, I don't understand why you will start a blog with a single intention of monetizing through AdSense alone. So if you think AdSense is your only way of monetization, I just want to let you know AdSense doesn't ban social traffic. And one big message I would like to pass to you through this, before we got into the importance of using social traffic to drive traffic to your website, is simply don't just monetize your website through AdSense alone, because now that your organic traffic is going to drop because of this new thing Google is actually launching, meaning your revenue also is going to drop if you monetize through AdSense alone. Now coming back to how you can use social media to drive traffic to your how-to guide. So since Google has stated it clearly that they are going to suggest more content from organizational websites, so meaning that these big social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Medium, Reddit, these 5 platforms, and then Pinterest in addition could still be a great help to get your how-to guide to the eyeball of your main targeted audience, because Google is literally going to pick out this content from those websites. Like recently, I made a search for a particular topic that I wanted to write about, so I was doing the topic research. Most of the articles I saw on search engine, despite the fact that big blogs like Neil Patel, HubSpot, and other big blogs actually wrote about this sort of content, most of the results I saw on the first page were literally from social media platforms like Reddit, Medium, and then LinkedIn. Those are the platforms I was seeing most of the answers from. I was like, why would Google suggest this over reputed agencies or websites that have been in this particular niche for a very long time? But then after that was when I actually came across this new update that they've released. But I believe it's not fully by that update, because Google for a long time right now, Google has been favoring most of these big social media platforms over any other platform right now. And this is why you need to take advantage of it. Like for the past 2 months right now, here's a snapshot of my website traffic, analytics of my sources of traffic. You can see that videos are really giving me the more search traffic than any other platform. This is because I publish videos on any other platform that is related to the articles on my website. So when Google is indexing my content, it comes across all these videos and then use them and then point them directly to the articles on my website. And this can only be achieved when you promote your content through search engine, because I promote almost every single content through Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and then Pinterest. So assuming Google no longer shows my main articles itself, my videos still have an edge to rank, because one, I use the same title in my videos, I interlink the video to the article, at times I embed the video itself in the article itself. So when Google is actually crawling my website, you get to see the video on my website or a link from a social media platform on a video related to same topic pointing to same article on my website. So when you search on Google, and at times you see videos like, I believe you've also experienced this thing, that you go on Google and search for something, you go to the video tab, but when you click on these videos, it doesn't play you the video, but it takes you to a particular website. This is the simple system here. We achieve that thing through the help of social media and then video linking in our articles. And this is what you should take advantage of if you need to put your article out there. After you created this article, record a video, even if it's a 1-minute video, record it. Or if you don't want to show your face on camera like I do, you can simply use Canva to design a short video, post it on social media platform using same keyword as the article you want to link to, and then in the video description, link to this particular article that you want to link to. This one will still give you an edge, because Google will take a look at the link between your website and that particular video you are linking to, and then take a look at both content. And when it sees that, okay, both content literally carry the same topic, same keywords, why not let me direct this person here also. So when person click on that video on Google, instead of Google playing the video first, now Google will redirect them to your article. That's what Google literally does. And I've seen this thing, and since I started implementing it, it has drastically increased my average traffic, because I'm getting more from video pages rather than any other sort of traffic on my website. So that is about it. Third thing you can do here is simply also create video content and promote them on social media, and also create normal social media posts and then interlink them with your how-to guide to give life to your website itself. So that's about the third thing here, which is actually using social media to drive traffic to your how-to guide in various forms. I believe you find these things helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So with that already said, let's get to other key things that you need to know in this. Let's get to the final thing that you need to know to actually drive traffic to your how-to guide, even if Google no longer cares about them. So the final thing you can do here is simply embed videos into those articles. So what do I mean by you should embed videos into those articles? So for example, you created an article on, let me say, step-by-step guide on how to create a WordPress website. And then Google is telling you that he cares more about video rather than those sort of content. What you can do now is that go on YouTube, grab a video in that same topic, even if you are not the one who created this video. Grab that video, embed it into this article. This one will also give you a hedge, because one thing Google does is that when Google is crawling a website, it identifies all the videos, every single object on our website. So when it spots that kind of video with same title and it tracks the video to YouTube and realize that, okay, the video is talking about same thing as your article, when Google ranks that article on that video on search engine, instead of that video to link to YouTube, the video will rather be linking to your website. That's what Google does, and I personally do this thing. So when someone clicks on that video on search engine, Google will send the person into your article and not onto YouTube to go and watch that video. And this is something you need to also try implementing as well. It might give a life to your how-to guide and frequently asked question. So hope you find these 4 tips helpful on how you can still revive your how-to blog post using different metrics. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. So have a nice day. Bye.